Hello everyone! Today I will guide you on the recipe and how to make grilled salmon with lemon garlic sauce. A. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, about 6 oz each, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley, chopped, optional for garnish, lemon wedges for serving. For the lemon garlic sauce, 2 tablespoons butter, optional. You can substitute olive oil. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice. 1 tablespoon fresh parsley, chopped. Salt and pepper to taste. B. Instructions. 1. Prepare the salmon. In a small bowl, combine olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, lemon zest, salt, and pepper. Rub this mixture evenly over the salmon fillets and let them marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. 2. Grill the salmon. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Lightly oil the grill grates to prevent sticking. Place the salmon fillets on the grill, skin side down if they have skin. And cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until the salmon is fully cooked through. Internal temperature should be 145 degrees, 63 degrees. 3. Make the lemon garlic sauce. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat, or heat the olive oil if using. Add the minced garlic and sauté for 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in the lemon juice, parsley, salt, and pepper. Let the sauce simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Serve. Drizzle the lemon garlic sauce over the grilled salmon fillets. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve with lemon wedges on the side. Note: this recipe is simple and allows the salmon's natural flavors to shine while adding a refreshing and zesty kick from the lemon garlic sauce.